As soon as I heard the knock, I was like, that's not Kelsey. Because it was like, bang, 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 bang.
We don't allow overnight parking.
And I'm like, do you have to do that?
Head for the sun, follow your footsteps, edge of the world, right to your doorstep, home, anywhere you wanna go.
Alright, tonight we're making pizza and I'm excited for it. This is gonna be my first time making homemade pizza in the van. We have a little pizza crust mix and we are ready to go. I have had a week and a half. Let me tell you about it. This is what's happening. So Sora got her period. She's in heat for the first time. So that happened on the following day of me getting down to Coeur d'Alene to help Kelsey out. She had a surgery on her shoulder, so she isn't able to use this arm for 6 weeks, so I'm helping her out with every task that you would need 2 hands for. That's been awesome to be able to help her out and help a friend out. But the next day, Sora then got her first heat, so that added a layer of complexity to my to-do list. And you know what I realized is that I actually don't cook for myself that often, and cooking, even just the 2 meals a day that I have been kind of cooking takes a lot of time. I thought while I'm cooking more meals in the van, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do a pizza in the van. I've never been able to like really host or cook for people in any of my vans, but having the oven and the induction, I'm able to do that. It does draw a lot of power to do any sort of bigger meal that's gonna take more than an hour. This is actually only 10 minutes in the oven, this pizza crust. We're just gonna do a margherita pizza, so it's gonna be the pizza, tomato sauce, basil, mozzarella, tomatoes, and then yeah, balsamic drizzle. Preheat the oven, which we're not gonna do. Combine the pizza crust mix in half a cup of hot water. Now, because I don't actually have my hot water on right now, I am going to run my induction and warm up some water. I also just add a little bit of a Italiano seasoning to the pizza mix with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Half a cup of hot water. A little fork. I think we need a candle for the ambiance. Okay, form into a ball. So that's what that looks like now. Cover it. And we will let it sit. Make a little rim here. And 450 for 5 minutes. Watch a little bam bam. Now it did tell me to preheat the oven, but we're not listening to that advice. These are sharp. Excuse me, don't eat the basil. Don't eat the basil. Now I just have to rinse the basil. I know we all are thinking, looking real sad here on the basil front, but okay, that's our timer for the pizza. Delicious pizza in a van. I have extremely bad news. While I was taking the picture for the thumbnail, I drizzled the balsamic, so you guys missed that touch. Here's the final product. Look at this. I hope that's Kelsey texting me for her dinner. Maybe we should just try a little taste. Shh, no one has to know. Oh my god. No, I shouldn't have had a taste. No, I want more. This has to go back in the oven. It's unfair. Out of sight, out of mind. It's 8:30 p.m. Almost starving. I guess I should just do some work or something.
Wow, that looks delicious.
Boom. Here, paper. Is there 2 paper plates? It's so funny. You silly goose.
Less dishes.
No, it's fine. Okay, you're just getting all 3 slices right on here.
Stoked. Thank you.
Pizza delivery.
Thank you. Wow. Dude.
Okay, wait, let's taste it first. You want to do a pizza cheers? I want to make sure it's cooked. Cheers.
Thank you.
It's not bad.
Oh my gosh.
It's not bad.
You made this in your van.
Pizza dough.
You made it. Where'd you get the pizza dough?
Safeway as well. But I've had it from Safeway in Canada.
The aftertaste is really nice.
I put Italian seasoning in the dough.
Wow.
She loves it.
Wow.
She loves it.
Dang. Well done.
Yeah.
From scratch.
Yeah.
In your van.
In the van. Yeah. Oh, your drink.
So wait, did you grab the tomatoes from my van?
Yeah.
These are from St. Ignatius at Todd and Christine's.
I was wondering, they looked like they were garden fresh.
Yay.
I'm so happy.
Me too.
Do you want more balsamic drizzle?
Yes, please.
There's more.
I think, yeah, I love that.
Do you want me to just go across?
Yeah. So are you charging now that your oven's off?
It's just 12 amps at 26 on that one, 20 on that one, and 21 on that one.
But those are like what the batteries are at right now. Those are the amp hours that they're
No.
the capacity of them.
No, that's what's going into them.
That's what's going into them.
Yeah, I was like, as soon as I heard the knock, I was like, that's not Kelsey. Because it was like, bang, 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 bang. Hi. Hello. Hey, how's it going?
Going. Can I talk to you for a minute? We don't allow overnight parking here.
We're not staying overnight.
Okay.
Thank you for letting me know.
Not a problem.
You too. Bang, bang, and I'm like, do you have to do that? Like, you can
Wow.
clearly hear that I'm like listening to music and like singing in here. Like,
Wow. Funny.
but then I think it's, I don't know what it is. I always find, I feel like it's really aggressive initially, and when I open the door and people see me, they're like, oh, hey. And I'm like, yeah, I'm a normal human being.
Yeah,
like,
and a girl.
and
I
a
think
woman.
Too. I think that makes
They have
it feel.
I think they think it's a man
Yeah.
most of the time.
Yeah.
Anyways.
I would agree with you. I think they just don't expect. Yeah. So funny.
Before I turn off the video, what would you rate this pizza at? Out of all the pizza you've had in your life, on 1 to 10.
I've had some pretty good pizza.
It's around a 2.
So hard. No. I'd say like a solid 6.
Wow.
Yeah, for sure.
That's pretty good.
Well, considering I've had like very, very bougie pizzas.
Yep.
We had.
I'll take a 6.
Yeah. What would you rate it out of ones you've had?
See, I think it gets a higher rating than like a 3. I would say like if I got served this at a restaurant, I'd be pretty disappointed. If I was paying $25.
Right.
But this probably only cost us like that pizza dough was maybe $1.99 or $2.99
What?
for the little package, and then your tomatoes were from the garden. Basil pack would have been maybe $3.99 in Canada. The cheese, I don't know what it was, that thing of cheese.
Wow.
And then your little thing of tomato sauce, and then the balsamic I already had. So you know what I mean? It was like $5. It fed both of us. Well,
Wow.
But I would say that it gets more kudos because it was made in a van,
Yeah.
in an oven in a van. I'd say that's pretty sweet. So
I mean, with that in mind,
yeah.
I'd say it's a 9.
Not
for
if
van
if you
pizza?
have to
For
sum-
van pizza?
if
it's a 9.
If you set it as a standard of a rate of 1 to 10 for van pizza, 10 out of 10.
Oh yeah. Excuse me. That cannot be in the video.